In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge layers in Canva. When people talk about merging layers in Canva, what they usually mean is combining separate elements so they move and resize together, just like a single object. Canva doesn't literally flatten layers like some advanced design tools, but it does let you group elements, which is the closest and most useful equivalent for most projects. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're on the page where all the elements you want to merge are located. This could be text, shapes, images, icons, or any combination of those. Take a moment to zoom in or out so you can clearly see everything you're working with. A clean view will make selecting the right elements much easier. Now, you'll want to highlight all the elements you plan to merge. You can do this in a couple of simple ways. The easiest is to click on an empty space on the canvas, hold down your mouse button, and drag to create a selection box around all the elements you want to combine. As you release the mouse, you should see each of those items highlighted with a blue outline, showing they're all selected at once. If your elements are spread out, or you only want very specific ones, you can also hold down the Shift key and click each item one by one. Each click adds another element to your selection. Make sure you've selected everything you want grouped and nothing extra. If you accidentally include something you don't need, just Shift click it again to deselect it. Once all of your desired elements are highlighted, look toward the top of the Canva editor. You'll see an option labeled Group. Click on that. As soon as you do, all the selected elements will be combined into a single group. You'll notice that if you click and drag now, everything moves together as one unit. You can resize, rotate, or duplicate this group, and every element inside will stay perfectly aligned. If you ever need to edit something individually later, just click on the grouped object, then use the ungroup option to break it apart again, or double-click inside the group to adjust specific elements. And that's all there is to it. By highlighting your elements and using the group button, you effectively merge your layers in Canva.